Is your 2019-2020 Toyota Sequoia's key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through each step. The key fob for your 2019-2020 Toyota Sequoia communicates with the vehicle using radio frequency signals, typically at 314 MHz. This allows it to send commands for locking, unlocking, and remote starting. The key fob is powered by a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which contains lithium manganese dioxide chemistry and provides about 220 mAh of capacity. This non-rechargeable battery ensures efficient, low-power operation for RF transmission. This battery type is readily available at electronics stores, auto parts retailers, and online platforms. It typically lasts 1-2 years with normal use due to the fob's energy-efficient circuitry. For replacing the key fob battery, you'll need just a few basic tools and precautions. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the key fob casing. Alternatively, use a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the casing. Wearing gloves is recommended to prevent transferring oils from your skin to the battery or electrical contacts. Work on a non-conductive surface, like a rubber mat, to protect the key fob's sensitive components. With these basic tools and precautions, you're ready to safely replace your key fob battery. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the small slot on the side of the key fob. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side should be facing up. Use a screwdriver or pry tool to gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure it's securely in place. To reassemble the key fob, align the two halves of the casing carefully. Gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Check for any gaps or loose parts to ensure the fob feels solid and properly closed. Now, test the key fob by pressing the buttons to lock, unlock, and remote start your Sequoia. The LED indicator on the fob should light up. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. In rare cases, reprogramming may be needed, though unlikely for these models. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacement, start by cleaning the battery contacts gently with a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol. This removes any dirt or corrosion that might interfere with the connection. Next, ensure you're using a fresh new battery that's not expired. Batteries lose their charge over time, even when not in use, so check the expiration date before installation. While rare, extreme moisture can damage the fob's internal components. If you live in a humid environment, consider sealing the edges with silicone sealant to protect against water ingress.